step into the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: power 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, PASS key 3 theft deterrent system, tachometer, auxiliary audio input jack, exterior lamp control system, illuminated entry system, AM/FM stereo WCD MP3 player, power heated exterior mirrors, and passenger sensing system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.